Studio One 6.6 by PreSonus is a powerful digital audio workstation (DAW) designed for music production, mixing, and mastering. It offers an intuitive interface and a comprehensive set of tools that cater to both beginners and professional musicians. One of the key features of Studio One 6.6 is its drag-and-drop functionality, which simplifies the workflow and allows users to quickly arrange, edit, and produce their music. The software includes a wide range of virtual instruments, effects, and loops, providing a rich palette of sounds for music creation. Studio One 6.6 also supports advanced features such as MIDI editing, automation, and multi-track recording, making it a versatile tool for various stages of music production. The integrated project page allows users to master their tracks and create high-quality recordings ready for distribution. Additionally, Studio One's chord track and harmonic editing capabilities provide powerful tools for songwriting and arrangement, helping musicians experiment with different harmonies and progressions easily. The software also includes collaboration features, enabling users to share their projects with others and work together in real time. Regular updates and a supportive user community ensure that Studio One 6.6 remains at the forefront of music production technology, offering a comprehensive solution for creating professional quality music.